So I just got screwed today. I've been here since 10 p.m. last night at Aldi's, and I guess they give somebody else my load or double booking. I don't know what happened with that. And apparently, y'all know how Aldi's is. They're shipping and receiving 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. And right now it's like 9 p.m. Yeah, it's 9 right now. And then there's not gonna be no load for me. And I've been here since last night. It's I'm running to 12 hours. Right, 12 hours. Yeah. So now I gotta go look for another load. And thank you Aldi's for screwing me over. I don't know. It's not Aldi's fault. It's the brokers, man. It's the brokers. Gotta be somebody's fault. Cause I'm here. I'm still here. I was supposed to pick up 10 p.m. last night, and it's about to be it's 9 something a.m.